Hello guys, so today we will be doing a very important topic. This topic is basically important for your JEE and NEET. It will not be asked in normal school level examination, the calculation of hardness. So we are not exactly doing what is hardness. Some of you have already studied what is hardness in your class 9th and 10th. If you have not, then please go through, and you can also get those things in the S block part of your chemistry book, that what is causing exact hardness. But in this video we are going to discuss pinpointed numericals based on calcium hardness of water. Remember, the hardness of water is always based on calcium carbonate. Okay? So they have a standard to measure the hardness of water in terms of calcium carbonate, and that is what we are going to learn today. Okay? So that we can handle questions in the examination already stated. Okay? So first of all, hardness of water. What is this hardness of water? Number of parts, I'll just write the definition. Number of parts of CaCO3 by weight, okay, in 10 to the power 6 parts by weight of water. 10 to the power 6 parts by weight of water. Okay? So this is basically hardness of water. So this is just the definition. So how will you calculate? At the end of the day you need some formula, right? So in case of hardness, if you need to calculate hardness, this is the formula that you are going to use. That is weight of calcium carbonate or weight of any other hardness causing substance. I am not writing all those things, equivalent to calcium carbonate weight. Okay? So we will learn how to calculate this. After that, weight of water into 10 to the power 6. So this ensures that you do it by 10 to the power 6 parts of weight of water. So whenever this 10 to the power 6 comes, basically that means this unit will be in parts per million. Okay? ppm, parts per million. That means parts of weight of CaCO3 by 10 to the power 6 parts of weight of water. So that means it has to be parts per million, because 10 to the power 6 is parts per million, right? Million. Okay? Clear hai? So this is the formula that you are going to use. I hope you have understood this. Weight of calcium carbonate divided by weight of water, both you can take in grams. So both the units must be same. That's what I want to say, for the mass, into 10 to the power 6 to get it in ppm value. Okay? To get it in ppm values, because this amount is so less. If you just divide this by this, then the value will be very minuscule. So we just multiply with it 10 to the power 6 so that we get a value that we can represent, because unit must be representable, right? So I'll rub this one. I hope you have copied this one. So this is the formula that we are going to use. Now next thing that is important, the next topic is, yes, suppose definitely in your mind you are thinking at this moment that, well, MgSO4 also causes hardness, right? MgSO4 also causes hardness. Also causes hardness. Karta hai na? Not only CaCO3. So in that case, what will you do? So you need to convert the amount of MgSO4 in terms of CaCO3. How do you do it? First of all, let us take MgSO4. Let's take how much value we want to take. Let's take 360 grams of MgSO4. Okay? 360 gram of MgSO4. So there is 360 gram of MgSO4 that we are talking about right now. So what should we do with this? 360 gram of MgSO4. So you need to convert this to in terms of calcium carbonate. So calcium carbonate, we know the molecular weight of calcium carbonate is how much? 100. And if I want to find out the equivalent weight of calcium carbonate, then how much it will be? 100 divided by valency of the cation in this compound. So that is 2. So basically it is 50, है ना. Similarly, you can also find out the molecular weight of MgSO4. How much? It is 120. ठीक है. So and the equivalent weight, you can easily find out the equivalent weight also over here. So this will be 60, because divided by the valency it will be 60. So you can say at this moment that 60 gram MgSO4 will be equivalent to 50 gram CaCO3, है ना. This is clear. Both are same number of equivalents that you are getting. Equivalent weights are always equivalent with each other. Okay. Now here we have 360 gram. So 360 gram will be equivalent to how much weight of CaCO3? 50 by 60 into 360. So you can calculate this 6. So 300 gram, right? So here on I actually derived a formula. Whenever you want to convert any weight of any substance to in terms of CaCO3, what you do? You, for any substance, multiplying the weight into 50 divided by equivalent weight of the substance. So this is the formula. If you even don't remember the formula or don't want to remember, go for the unitary method that you have learned right now. Yeah, because at this moment at my age I generally don't remember this formula, I go for unitary method. But I am giving you this formula because in case of examinations, if you have easier types of problem, then there is no point doing the unitary method. It is better you go directly for the formula to solve it fast. Okay, so clear. So directly now we will be solving some problems on hardness. ठीक है. So all the hardness will be measured in terms of calcium carbonate. ठीक है. All the hardness. The first question is 0.001 mole of MgSO4. ठीक है, MgSO4, and that is in 1 liter. In 1 liter you have to calculate the hardness. ठीक है ना, hardness you have to calculate. This was asked in WBJE once upon a time, 1984. During those times this problem was very tough. ठीक है, they didn't had lot of books like you guys do have today, teachers and all to help you out. So at that moment of time definitely this was a very hard problem. So how do you do it? First of all you need the weight of MgSO4. ठीक है ना. So weight of MgSO4 will be how much? 0.001 into 120, right? So it will be 0.12 gram. ठीक है, this is the weight of MgSO4. Done. Now after that what should be our next step? I need to convert this weight of MgSO4 to equivalent to some weight of CaCO3, है ना. And can I do that? Definitely I can do that. I have learned 0.12 weight into 50 divided by equivalent weight of MgSO4. So molecular weight is 100 divided by 120 for MgSO4 divided by the valency. So 60. Clear? So you will get some value. So this will come out to be 0.1 gram CaCO3. ठीक है, हो गया. Finish. So you know the weight of CaCO3. Next is, this is 1 liter, that means solution is 1 liter. ठीक है ना. So at this moment next part is to find out the hardness. So hardness formula we know already. Hardness is weight of CaCO3 0.1 gram divided by weight of water. This is 1 liter. 1 liter. Now what is the density of water? First of all 1 liter means 1000 ml. 1000 ml means 1000 cc. ठीक है ना. And we know the density of water is 1 gram per cc. so definitely this is 1000 gram. ठीक है ना, 1000 gram you can calculate, 1000 cc means 1000 gram, density 1 gram per cc into 10 to the power 6 कर दो बेटा. So this gets cancelled out, and so 10 to the power 3 into 0.1, so 0.1 into 1000 basically. So this is 100. And what is the unit of this hardness? We have already said this thing, ppm. ठीक है, ppm. Clear guys? So now you know how to calculate the hardness. ठीक है, everybody understood, I hope, this problem. I can rub it. So hardness is weight of calcium carbonate divided by weight of water into 10 to the power 6. ठीक है, so we'll go to the next problem now. So this problem I'll just give you the hints. 1 liter of H2O has 0.0006 gram FeCl3. I need to take a break at this moment. I am just coming back. So I am back after the break. Sorry for the interruption, small interruption. Okay, so we were doing this problem, another new problem. It is a nice problem that we are going to do right now. So a liter of water is there, 0.006 gram FeCl3, 0.008 gram CaSO4, then you have 0.01 gram of NaCl, lone, 0.01 gram of MgSO4, and you need to calculate the hardness in this. Okay, and here the density is given, density of the total solution is given as, density of the water is given as 1.1 gram per milliliter. ठीक है, so this is given. So first of all, what is the amount of water? For hardness, what I need first of all, if I go from backward, for hardness I need weight of CaCO3 divided by weight of water into 10 to the power 6. ठीक है, now weight of water I can easily calculate. 1 liter means 1000 ml, right? 1000 ml is equal to 1100 gram. You can just multiply the density with this one, you will get the weight of water. So this is known. Next I have to find out the weight of calcium carbonate. So how do I do that? Where is my duster? So as you know, I have to convert everything to calcium carbonate terms. 0.006 into 50 divided by equivalent weight of FeCl3. So you need to calculate the equivalent weight of FeCl3. So you can do that, molecular weight divided by the valency. Valency over here is 3. ठीक है? So you need to calculate. I am just giving you the hint. 0.008 into 50 divided by calcium sulfate equivalent weight CaSO4. This one. What about this one? This one is a nice one. See, this is sodium salt. This doesn't cause any hardness, so you need not consider that. Here is the catch in this problem. So if I give this problem in examination, most of the students are likely to make a mistake in this one. They will consider this NaCl also, because they will forget the basics of hardness and they will just concentrate on the calculation part. So don't do this. Don't forget the basics. Sodium salts doesn't contribute to the hardness of water. Then 0.01 magnesium sulfate, you can easily do 50 divided by equivalent weight of magnesium sulfate, we know 60. So you know all the weights, you can get it from over here, right? All the weights. So you can add all these weights. So you will get the calcium carbonate weight divided by weight of water, already you have got. So 10 to the power 6. Easy problem. Please complete this. The answer to this problem is 18 ppm. So you can check whether you are getting this answer or not. Okay? So this is a homework for you. nothing else. Okay, we will do another two good problems which will also bring in volumetric analysis, that is molarity and normality into action in the hardness. Okay. So let us do this one. 20 milligram of Ca2 plus ions, ठीक है, 20 milligram of Ca2 plus ions is present in 1 liter of water, ठीक है, 1 liter of hard water. डेफिनेटली Ca2 प्लस है तो हार्ड वाटर होगा, ठीक है ना. नेक्स्ट, नाउ यू यूज Na2CO3 over here, ठीक है ना. Na2CO3 you use to remove hardness. So question is Na2CO3 how much you have to use in terms of milli equivalent to remove this hardness. That is what you need to find out, ठीक है. So how much milli equivalent of Na2CO3 you need to give to remove this calcium hardness, ठीक है ना. So definitely there will be some reaction between Ca2 plus and Na2CO3 and you are going to do that, right. But when you are going to do about milli equivalent, you do not need reaction, because chemical reactions always happens in equivalents, right. Chemical reactions always happens in equivalents. So whatever equivalence of Ca2 plus ions over here is will be same as the milli equivalence of Na2CO3. So first of all you need to write that MEq of Ca2 plus will be equal or equivalent to MEq of Na2CO3, ठीक है ना. So you need to find out the milli equivalence of Ca2 plus. So this is 20 mg, है ना. So you will find out 20 mg means 20 into 10 to the power minus 3 gram divided by equivalent weight of calcium 2 plus. How much? Calcium weight is 40 gram divided by the valency calcium 2 plus, so it will be 20. So this is equivalence, this is equivalence. Now you want to convert this to milli equivalence into 10 to the power 3. हो गया ना milli equivalence, clear. So this and this cancels out, this and this cancels out, it becomes 1 milli equivalent. So answer is 1 milli equivalent of Na2CO3. So this type of problems are very likely to come in NEET examinations because it takes less time. It just need a simple concept that milli equivalents will be always same, ठीक है, clear है. Volumetric is very important in chemistry, so you need to be very thorough with the milli equivalent and the millimoles concept. Next we will do another problem, the last one of today's lecture. Okay, 500 ml of calcium bicarbonate is there, ठीक है, calcium bicarbonate, ठीक है ना. calcium bicarbonate solution is there, 500 ml, ठीक है. So that means there is a solution in which you have some calcium bicarbonate, ठीक है. How much it is not said. Now this is titrated, this is titrated against N by 60 20 milliliter HCl, ठीक है ना. So this is titrated against N by 60 20 milliliter HCl to neutralize it completely. The question that has been asked is calculate the degree of hardness of this water. You have to calculate the degree of hardness of this water that you have got, ठीक है. So from this, whenever you see this, the first thing that I have said you to do is please calculate the milli equivalent N by 60. So milli equivalent will be 1 by 60, that is normality into volume in milliliter. So it will be 1 by 3 milli equivalents, right. So I can write it as 1 by 3000 equivalents, right. Milli equivalent, milliliter থেকে liter, milli equivalent থেকে equivalent divided by 1000, nothing else, ठीक है ना, clear. Now definitely this will be the same amount of equivalence that is there over in this part, right, because reaction will happen in equivalents. So I can write weight of calcium bicarbonate divided by equivalent weight of calcium bicarbonate. Now equivalent weight of calcium bicarbonate is 81, ठीक है, you can check, it is 81, and weight of bicarbonate I don't know, so 1 by 3000. So from here I can calculate weight of bicarbonate as 81 by 3000 gram. ठीक है, so this is the weight of bicarbonate present in this solution. ठीक है, so I know the weight of bicarbonate at this moment, but for calculating hardness I don't need the weight of bicarbonate, I need the weight of calcium carbonate. So this is 81 divided by 3000 gram calcium bicarbonate, which will be equal to 81 by 3000 into 81 by 3000 into 50, याद है ना, divided by equivalent weight of the substance, so that is again 81. So this 81 and 81 will cancel out, so I will be left with this 1 by 60, ठीक है ना, 1 by 60 gram calcium carbonate. ठीक है, 1 by 60 gram calcium carbonate. So at this moment I have to calculate hardness, I know that. So hardness is weight of calcium carbonate divided by weight of the water, that is 500 milliliter. 500 milliliter means 500 gram, I know, 500 into 10 to the power 6. So that is it. So if you calculate this, you will get approximately 33.33 ppm, because the unit 10 to the power 6 parts per million. Clear? So that is all about calcium hardness, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I hope you will be enjoying doing problems on calcium hardness when it comes in JEE on NEET. Thank you, guys.